好啦，咁跟住咧就會講一啲 terms 啦。咁呢啲其實啱啱可能講過，但係呢度重新再 group 埋一齊啦。咁首先第一個 molecular formula 咧，啱啱冇講過嘅 molecular formula 咧，就係、譬如我俾個 example 大家，CO2 其實就係一個 molecular formula，就係一個 molecule 裏邊佢真係有幾多粒。每一種嘅 atom. For example, for carbon dioxide. So, for the molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2 because it has 1 carbon and 2 oxygen in these molecules. So, for the molecular formula, it shows the actual number of each kind of atom in one molecule. And then structural formula. Structural formula shows how the atoms are drawn up together. So, for example, for carbon dioxide, the molecular formula is CO2. However, the structural formula will be like this: CO, C double bond O, and then C double bond O. So, it shows that the atom O is linked up with carbon by double bond, okay, for the structural formula. So for the types of covalent bonds, we have single bond, double bond, and triple bond. And for single bond is one line only. So for this, only one line here. So means single bond, only one pair of share electron inside, so it is single bond. For double bond, 2 pair of share electron inside, so double bond. And for triple bond, 6 share electrons, so that means 3 pairs. And then number 4, types of electron pair in a molecule. For the bond pair, it is share between the 2 atoms, so it is the bond pair. For lone pair, it is unshared, it is not shared. So for example, I show you here, so this is the lone pair with it's not sharing between the 2 atoms, and then this is bond pair, okay, share between the 2 atoms. It is, so they are bond pairs. Okay, for examples, we have a table here. For hydrogens, the electron diagram, the molecular formula is H2. The electron diagram is like this. And the structural formula shows that this is a single bond. Number of bond pair, 1. And no lone pair because you can't see any from here. You can't see any electron here without bonding. So 0 lone pair. Alright? And then I give you one more example, then we go to the next. So for oxygen, so they have 2 pair of electron here, so it has a double bond, so 2 lines here. The structural formula will be O and O and then 2 lines, double bond. And for here, it has 2 share pair electrons, so 2 bond pair. And then for the whole molecule, number of lone pair will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lone pairs. Okay? Okay, let's do practice 8.1. So fluorine, let's do it together. Fluorine atomic number 9 exists as diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecules means 2F, F2. 2F inside of one molecule, so it is F2. So A, state the electronic arrangement of fluorine atom. So fluorine is 9. So here, 9. So the electronic arrangement will be 9 electrons, so it will be 2, 7. And then B, what is meant by the term diatomic? So diatomic means inside one molecules of fluorine there are 2 atoms. So I will show you how to write this later. And then C, with the A of an electron diagram, describe how fluorine atom make a molecules. So firstly, a molecule made up of 2 atoms bond together means diatomic. And then for electron diagram, it will be like this, showing how fluorine atom make a molecules. So firstly, because fluorine have 7 outermost shell electrons, so it need to share 1 electron with another fluorine atom. Remember that if we have 1 electron needed, then we need to share 1 electron out. So for fluorine, it wants 1 more electron to become 8 electron in the outermost shell. So it share 1 electron out. And then another fluorine also share 1 electron out. So they will make a fluorine molecule after sharing. So here they don't show the outermost shell only. We also show the inner shell, so 2 and then 7 here. And then we make them fluorine molecules. And then number 2, in terms of electrostatic forces of attraction, describe the nature of the following types of chemical bonds. So covalent bonds. Covalent bonds is new here, so I will talk about this. Okay, let's clear this first. Okay, the covalent bond is the electrostatic forces between the positively charged nuclide and of the two bond atom and the negatively charged share electrons. So let me explain to you this sentence. So for covalent bond, it is about electrostatic attraction too. Electrostatic attraction means the attraction between positive charge and negative charge. And for fluorine, so the covalent bond should be 嗱，用 fluorine 嚟做 example， 乜嘢叫 covalent bond 呢？其實呢就係啲正負相吸嘅吸力。點吸嘅呢？嗱，本身 fluorine 同 fluorine 係分開㗎嘛，兩個分開。咁但係點解佢會吸住咗對方呢？其實就係因為中間 fluorine 嘅 nucleus 呢就有 proton 係正嘅，跟住呢佢哋就會同呢個 share pair 嘅 electron 呢個係 negative 嘅，互相吸引，呢個 atom 就會吸住咗，即係呢個 nucleus 就會同呢個 share pair electron 有吸引力啦。跟住另一方面，呢個 share pair electron 亦都會同另一個 atom 吸住，咁咪兩邊都吸住咗咯。咁所以就會黐住咗佢哋兩個啦。咁所以個 covalent bond 咧，其實就係 electrostatic attraction between the positively charged nuclei 即係嗰個 nucleus 啦。Of the two bond atom, both atoms nucleus, and then the share pair electrons. They attract together, so they stick together. So this is called a covalent bond. And for ionic bond, they are between oppositely charged ions. So ionic bond, for example, Na plus and the chloride minus. So one is positive and one is negative. They attract together. So oppositely charged ions. All right. Okay, I give you some time to write this down first.